Our topic for today is parts of the plants. In this class, you are going to learn two major plant parts, roots and stem. The functions of a plant's roots. Why do plants need roots? Roots hold the plant in the soil. They anchor the plant. Do you know what is anchor? Where anchor is frequently used? Anchor means to hold in one place. It is used to keep the ship in one place and hold it down. If there is no anchor, what will happen to the ship or boat? The ship will sail away. It will not be in one place. Similarly, the roots will also help the plants to be in one place and hold it down to the soil. Do plants need water? Plants need water to grow. Roots take water and minerals from the soil. Roots act like drinking straws to take up water. Why we use drinking straws? To drink juices, water, etc. Similarly, roots take water from the soil. What are the functions of roots? Roots hold the plant in the soil. They anchor the plant. Roots take water and minerals from the soil. Roots usually keep trees standing when the wind blows, but they may not be able to withstand a storm. There are three different types of roots: taproot, fibrous root, and storage root. Taproot is a thick root which grows straight into the ground with many small roots sprouting laterally. Fibrous root are made up of bunch of small roots all about the same size. Storage roots are such as carrots and radish or modified roots that store food and water. Let's recall. The roots grow down into the soil. A plant's root does it in the soil. Anchor it in the soil. The roots take dash from the soil, water from the soil. What are the functions of a plant's root? Roots hold the plant in the soil. They anchor the plant. Roots take water from the soil for the plant. Thank you.